Good morning. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2017. We start off much like we have over the last part of 2016, a lot warmer than normal. Look at it, 65 degrees at Bush Intercontinental, 63 at Katy, at Hobby, 65 in Galveston as well. That's just 22 degrees above what it normally is this time of the year, this time of the day. We do have fog advisories until 9 o'clock for various areas. I'll show you that in a second. Today we have a chance for some showers, a slight chance, but still a shower chance, getting a high of about 76 degrees today. Tomorrow we have a chance for some morning storms, possibly severe, very early in the mornings. Good thing I think many of you still have a day off. Fog advisory in place until 9 o'clock in many areas, not everybody, but many areas there are advisories in place until 9 o'clock. Visibilities less than a quarter of a mile in some of those areas. Look how many areas throughout the state in the southeast Texas area is involved in these fog advisories. You notice also down here some shower activity. So there's still some shower. That's why I said there's a chance of showers. Yesterday, a lot of this was a little bit higher up in terms of our futurecast models. Now we're showing it along the coast, hugging it along the coast coming up. So certainly a chance for some of that throughout the day in the morning hours. Right now, though, the central part of the metro area of Houston, Texas, the best city in the United States of America, looks rather clear. Look at the broader picture here. Look, the United States of America, you see most of the area, the rain is still off in the southeastern states here. Many of the other areas of the country, if you're planning on traveling back after tomorrow, not bad traveling conditions for the most part. We'll be looking at severe threat going into tomorrow over the next day or so. Tomorrow morning, all of our area is in this area, slight risk, if you will. This is going to be moving in that direction going into the Louisiana area. Now, as far as visibilities are concerned, 0 in Katy, quarter of a mile in Columbus. This is what I talked about, the disparity in terms of the fog advisories. Half a mile in Galveston, 4 and 5 miles visibility at Hobby and Bush Airport. So just be careful when you're going out there. We need to get the wind up a little bit. And right now you see many of the calm conditions throughout the area. Until we get that wind blowing, we're not going to get that out of here. This front, not going to be sliding down. It's actually going to go back up north as a warm front. We're going to keep our eyes on this area of low pressure that's off to the west. That is an upper level area of low pressure. We'll put the water vapor loop in place, and you can see we still have a lot of moisture in the upper levels coming through Houston. That's why we have that chance of showers, and this moisture is going to be sticking around until this area comes on across, and when it does, that's going to create the lift. That's going to create the opportunity for our storm for tomorrow. Here's what we're talking about. Futurecast model zeroing in on that area of showers and rain there right now. Look as it goes into motion for in the early morning hours on Monday. It's going to be pushing across the northern part, but what that's going to do is create the uplift, interact with a lot of the moisture that's there. That's going to give us a chance for these storms to form. This is 4:30 tomorrow morning. Put this in motion through 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, all the way down from Shreveport down through the Gulf. So possible strong storms, hail, wind, isolated tornado, not out of the question. Moving on through here pretty quickly. 10:30 is going to be gone. So that's what we'll be dealing with for tomorrow. In terms of rain amounts, not much. Going in through today, these amounts are certainly less than half an inch. But once that little system moves through tomorrow morning, we'll see a difference in terms of an increase in terms of the rain amounts, the bullseye up to the north and east of us. But the rain amounts about 2 inches as this storm comes through. So a chance to drop heavy amounts of rain. Today, highs today in the mid to some of you will have upper 70s, 77 degrees, but 74 areas to the north, 76 Bush Intercontinental Hobby, 77 degrees. Let's take a look at what we expect for today. 20% rain chance with the highs going up to about 76, 77 degrees. You look at that 10-day forecast and you notice biggest rain chances are tomorrow morning, and notice the temps drop. We'll be getting down to temperatures that the way it should feel in January. Slight rain chances as we go into next weekend with temperatures in the upper 30s, low 40s as it looks right now. Happy New Year, everybody.